Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add or remove apps from Microsoft Teams. This is a great way to customize your workspace and integrate the tools you need most while keeping things organized by removing apps you no longer use. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Teams interface with several options on the left side panel. Now, on the left side of your screen, locate and click on Apps. This is where you'll find all available apps that you can integrate into your Teams environment. Clicking this will open up the Apps Marketplace, giving you access to a wide variety of tools and integrations. In the Apps section, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can search for specific apps you want to add. Go ahead and type in the name of the app you're looking for. For example, let's say you want to add Test Portal. Simply type Test Portal into the search bar, and Teams will display the relevant results. Once you see the app appear in the search results, click on it to open the App Details page. Here you'll see information about the app and what it does. Next to the app name, you'll notice an Add button. Click on that Add button to begin the installation process. A confirmation prompt will appear, and you'll need to click Add once more to confirm that you want to install this app to your Teams workspace. The app will then be integrated and ready to use. Now, if you want to remove an app that you've previously added, the process is just as straightforward. On the left side of your Teams interface, click on the three dots. This will open additional options for managing your apps. From here, use the search function to find the app you want to remove. Once you've located the app, right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, select Uninstall. This tells Teams that you want to remove this app from your workspace. After clicking Uninstall, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is Teams' way of making sure you really want to remove the app, as this action will disconnect it from your workspace. Go ahead and click Remove to confirm your decision. The app will then be uninstalled and removed from your Microsoft Teams. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add and remove apps in Microsoft Teams, giving you full control over which tools are available in your workspace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.